56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everybody. Friday morning, 8:46 your time. We've got rain working through the state ahead of a cold front, and it's pretty widespread. There are some pockets in here of some drier weather for the moment, but a little line of heavier rain is stretching from around Cynthiana up to around Georgetown, back to near Midway, and then it kind of picks back up. You could see a little bit of a broken line going into northern Mercer County, back into Washington, Marion, and from there back farther into western Taylor County. Out ahead of that, though, there are areas of steadier rain from near Liberty over into Stanford, into parts of Garrett and Madison County, off to the north and east into Clark and Montgomery County. If we switch the radar out of Jackson, you'll be able to see things in eastern Kentucky a little bit more clearly. You'll notice the rain continues for a large part of the region here, Sandy Hook and West Liberty, down to Salyersville, even here into parts of western Floyd County, west of Prestonsburg. Last stop will take you into the southern part of the state. You'll notice right along the parkways some off and on showers, heavier rain right now at the moment from around London down I-75 through Corbin and down to around Williamsburg. What you have on the home view is lots of clouds and wet roads and wet camera lenses in most cases because of the rain we've had through. Now again, some breaks in the activity before more showers move back through, so you may get a brief break, but it won't last too long until the front sweeps through and then we do trend drier. It's quite windy out there this morning. It was windy all night long. We've had gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour, and we'll keep those strong winds this morning at least into early afternoon. But once this front comes through behind it, the winds actually do get less windy. It'll likely still be breezy. This is the back edge of the rain, though. Once that front sweeps it east, I anticipate that a lot of us are dry this afternoon. We could still have some rain in eastern Kentucky early to maybe mid-afternoon. I think this little band of showers most likely not going to form because that'll be farther east with the cold front. Now, we're not totally done yet, though. Even though we dry out in many areas this afternoon and get a little cooler late, we see another wave of showers develop overnight into Saturday, and those showers kind of hanging on into Saturday afternoon. Now, that pulls away, and we get some wraparound moisture on the backside of the low in the form of some scattered snow showers Saturday night into at least Sunday morning. Highs today will be in the 60s, and most of those are going to be happening this morning into early afternoon. Late afternoon, we start to see temperatures get a little cooler in the bluegrass, down to the 50s as the winds start to shift directions behind the front. Gusts strongest this morning. Tonight, chance for some showers, cooler, 40s north, some 50s south, because the cooler air not going to get all the way through the entire area, because remember, that low pressure starts to come back to the north. The next big thing, though, is the focus on the shift to cold. It's coming on Sunday. All right, you'll head out the door Sunday morning for church, and it'll be a shock to the system after how mild we've been most of this week. Only in the 30s Sunday. We mild up a bit by Tuesday before another shot of colder air for the end of next week. So again, showers around Saturday, snow showers and flurries mainly Sunday morning, but it's cold, it's blustery. It'll feel like it's in the 20s with wind chills. Near 40 on Monday, partly cloudy, upper 40s Tuesday. Another rain to snow chance late Wednesday, and ending likely as some snow showers on Thursday. So winter, yes, it's still here.